All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I finally got time to make another video. Shout out to my man Carl over at Schnail. He hooked up cases, this set of cases that I'm going to show you for the S20, the S20+, which is this model, and then the S20 Ultra. So here's the casing that it comes in. I've been wearing this today, and you can see it's military grade, 810G. It's good to go. He's got the nice simple packaging. That's what the case looks like. And here is the case. Now I've been rocking this gray and black version here. Now this case is definitely sturdy. Carl has upped his game with these cases, man. Lots of grip along the sides. It's a flat mat. And so you got your power button right here and your volume. You got corner protection, which is on point. Nice cutout for the camera. So now it's deeply recessed. And again, all the ports are open here that need to be. You got the microphone up top, then you get the microphone down here, and then the cutout right here. And then you've got a little speaker port here where it faces towards you. So that's pretty cool. And then the inside of the case, you can see here, it's got these little rivets and everything, little indentions for drop protection and impact protection. So I'm gonna clean off the phone real quick. It's nice and clean now. I'm gonna go in power button first on that side, and then there it is. So now I've got lip protection around the whole front. Like this thing has serious lip protection around the front of the device. It's a nice lifted design on the top and the bottom, and you've got this nice huge cutout at the top for the speaker to come towards you. And again, this other one has the speaker grill on the case, so I think that's absolutely boss. So power button is nice and tactile. The feedback is good. Volume rocker is good. This case feels great because it's really sturdy, but it's thin and not really thick, but it's just right, man. It's just right. So here is the case in like a neon green. It's like this is the chameleon. It's pretty fly. And then you have the red. The red and the chameleon are fly, man. They're really sweet. Carl went to town on this one. This is his new lineup. So here's the red and the chameleon. That chameleon is clean, man. Look at that. That's crazy right there. And it's got the same thing, except this is gray along the sides, which makes this even sweeter. You know what I'm saying? It gives you a good view of what it looks like with that chameleon. It just changes. It's so nice. And you got the Schnail branding down here, and it's just all around good, man. You can see the Schnail branding over here since it's in gray, and then the red, it's got the black again. So you got the black and red if you want to rock black and red. I think that's MKBHD. Shout out to MKBHD. He's rocking with the black and red. So that's if you're part of the black and red family. I just went with the gray for now because it's really subtle, but I have the option to change amongst all of these because I think this is actually pretty boss, man. This whole setup right here is actually really sweet, man. So shout out to Carl, man, for hooking up the cases. This is a quick, brief video on his new setup right here. These are some sweet cases. I got these for the Pixel 4. He did like a limited run for me with the name and everything. This is a nice, and this plastic right here is hard. That's not going anywhere, son. You drop your phone that way, you're good. And again, that lip protection is boss. And if you see here for the camera, it's deeply recessed. So if you lay it down, it's not going anywhere. It's even got little feet on here too, man. So like this, it's good to go. So there it is, man. You got the full setup right here, the full suite of all of the three colors. It's actually absolutely beast mode, and I appreciate Carl hooking it up, man. So support him, man. Hit the links in the description and get yours. I think you're gonna like it, man. His cases are getting better and better and better. And I got another one I'm gonna show you in a separate video because I got love for that too. So there it is right there, man. It's on now.